ya what tani di Jimmy ye ni ye ni mo hwe ya da enti kisi ajabe ye se woni adwuma ye se woni adwuma ye now the person we investigating kwasiade a eno be bia. The office you occupy is a big office, for God's sake. Look, when you were being appointed, look how many people were against your appointment. But we MPP said, it's okay. We know he works with NDC. In any case, special prosecutor doesn't have to come from the main party, even though that is what they do. Brochira, US, the last special prosecutor they had, no, you're Republican. Entino, Mr. Kisia Jabinye, Sanka wupe bibia ya. Utie, Sanka wupe bibia ya, and kabe to me ako chichi sa case ne diaba. Once we go anymore as the Supreme Court. On what basis were you freezing the assets of Sir John? Sir John, abrabo boye ni na your politics. Sir John, we ask you about it. You obey deny politics, yana. Eyamu NDC fo. Muna muni juma mo de politics na ma fan World Cup. One ka se hu say ubetumi aye juma de abeta ho this a government. Stacy Ghana fo sika akamo ye hia se sika no. Enya de kisi agya bento ho ye no. Won say we wekogu nani mu ase. Na koma ya to agu kwa. Lawyer Penny to say, welcome our case here because you want to do something for NDC to feel say, oh, now saying yeah, he's not only after us, after all, he's after the MPP too. He's doing certain things, keke. Just that. Just so NDC people can like you. NDC people, whether you cut your head for them or not, watch about coming in Ababa bro. Kono Kobi say Attorney General and the no. Kono Kobi say Attorney General say what one osu. Adentia wonya yes wo di case ko be na ndisi fo aso abas ma trailer ma na de ko court e be de da Martina me do wasted our time. Me say NDC for case nipo na home person wo de obe trial. Public Procurement Office NPP ni one kasama koto wo say we diska yes rew investigate that one too. Investigate it. Neja is how useless you now person who that populist way now. Last bet now why are you we to say you do we are now we going to work hard. I have so many cases, cases in there. Say John will be away we will. Obi away we will. How authentic was that will? As a prosecutor, how authentic was that will? There was no authenticity in it. Because the actual will is still a subject of what litigation. As I'm making, one more ben busuani ni mu say John ne japade anka say wo ho no entokwa asi ho e wo court. Obi anim sa. Brenaso. Obi anim sa. And the special prosecutor, I put on this camera for you. There is a lot of serious things we need. Both on side, NDC, MPP will be aware the Yesika for Yesika be no Yesika mayen. Nejai will be aware would tinebe be bra wa bona na ya no be gina on a special prosecutor court and a freeze on one job, freeze on one job. John Mahamo got $5 million bribe from Airbus no we freezing the asset. John Mahama and the Uko Chado and San Obedu on Ufi on a parking lot ne one a cast ye go in John Mahama de over 300 V8s. Nipa Bako dia. Over 300 go to Chado for some of you now mom peno kreno. Kwasiafo moto some man sika wonti odimu diagro kon you fear wa Chado Mahama fear wa Chado. There is a house parking lot and San we do on one case ni fear. Cars and sum woni na enye dealership o Mahama cars no. Over 300 V8s. Or the heading. How come you him? Nenya bra. Oko toka $100,000. No abeton 10,000 Ghana cedis. Bag ma ye de fa presidential villa baby a president fa wo Ghana e de ko hitro e ma ye ko chi ye ngu ye nimu ase penny ko no she sa drug deal na chi no ye hu no. Special prosecutor, if you don't have no work to do, let me give you some of the things Ghanaians want you to really go into. Baby, the only place only president is supposed to pass to travel was given to Namele Ametepe, drug dealer, drug baron. Emane de fa drug, ediko UK, emane begu o mine anymore say, yente wase. Metwaso. Say, ya papa kisi ejabe pe adwuma ya. Mesi ama na adwuma. Adwuma me de baba ne bio ne say. Ya suma papa bi a ya friend John Dramani Mahama so one Brazil for embraya. Won kodi play hu bo ne won fa mbra yen. Wo ba no play na twede ne keke $17 million. Play na twede ne bo okra den chin play ni mu. Play na nkasa twede no edin. Hanga ne edi play ne ebe sha ase keke no kra no ebo edin chin play. One de kodi anim His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Martin Amidu said, the late Professor Mills actually asked him to open an inquiry on Mahama for the embryo. Ye nya humu ayu, ye sike ko mu yenje. If you want more serious stuff, your predecessor, Martin Amidu, came to tell all Ghanaians, say, Airbus government official one, no, it is Mahama, so he should shut up. Mr. Kisiajabi, you want something to do, set the name Tamaklo. Ye peska dia man kwada dia ko school no, oso ane dia Mahama ho ye ne fepan to obedro Mahama ti e dia toto baase ho. And what in Sako boss came $1.something million say, yeah, the co-prente bass. And then, where Johnny Kwakoshe US, you have the powers to trigger Interpol. If you have any man who didn't you, Kisia Jabeng, prosecute those cases. Kisia Jabeng, if you want to prosecute NPP, I can give you something you can prosecute. Procurement officer, breach ye course ho. Emma Sikabi fast, no sa papa me we affinity. I know say he's in court facing it right now. But yet, that is a case you can try. He's MPP. Public Procurement Office. Samu kaya sa mind bi no. MPP ni mind bi no so say oye baba so oye danyo. Within 1 year no so ne bank account e chin Ghana ni na obi nim dwuma akodi ye. So the NDC for no na se won person obeji ska na MPP for ni bi wo ho beji yesi kama yen. But so we are watching some kwasi asem so na obehwehwe mu so amama bi ye gina ho na trace bu achi ni mesbel be kon ye say Mahama sesa ye sika de mom de boy ommo me tuwe na me nim sesebe ye ma me mesbel ne ba bi afudwene trace bu achi na be boy amane say Mahama say esu afudwene nti wonpe na me say na mesbel ne ye ma me lodina ho na anyini no nti ompe mesbel de na eye dwene no ba to pelodina de no Erade Nyankopo. Mese ni ado ni ada. We so me na me kan. We so me na me kan ya na mese ni ada yenka bi nhemu. Ni yenka bi nhemu. E na ya bia yi Tresibuachi. Tresibuachi ni yi ya isani ya frɛ no. Yi nana akua mesbele. Ebe gina abonten ebebe kan se oso we yi nya de. We so so de nya de. Oso we ya woteta. We so so